Hello and welcome to Unit 2. This unit explores the concepts of sustainability, the principles of sustainable development, and how these help guide our search for sustainability. Just to note that we'll be using the terms sustainability and sustainable development interchangeably throughout this particular course. In Unit 1, we saw the number of ways the word environment can be interpreted, from a very narrow interpretation, which is just about biophysical aspects of the environment, to a much broader and holistic interpretation which considers the social, economic, and cultural aspects of our communities and organizations. Similarly, sustainability has many interpretations as well, and it's quite a contested concept. Although we may agree on the unsustainable nature of much of our business as usual practices, we do have different ideas on how to implement sustainability and sustainable development principles. For example, the most commonly used definition for sustainable development comes from the Brundtland Report and states, humanity has the ability to make development sustainable, to ensure that it meets the needs of the present without compromising the needs of the future generations, to meet their own needs. Many open-ended questions arise from this definition, such as, whose needs are we talking about? Is there a difference between needs and wants and desires? How far into the future are we looking? How should needs be met? Who decides? What should be sustained? The responses to these questions, you must have realized, rely on value judgments, on our ideologies and our worldviews. And that's what makes operationalization and implementation of sustainability quite difficult, very diverse. And there are different visions of sustainability for different communities and different organizations as well. Similar challenges exist when we try and use the concept of the triple bottom line, which is to satisfy the three pillars of sustainability: economy, ecology, and society simultaneously. The triple bottom line concept, though, is very relevant to businesses, as it particularly tries to look beyond short-term profitability bottom line into other bottom lines such as the ecology and society, and looks at creating long-term value as well as competitive advantage. In this unit, we also examine the variety of principles of sustainable development, which really help provide a lot of guidance in making sustainability a bit more concrete, while still allowing for flexibility for values-based judgments and ideologies. A key consideration to remember in the area of sustainability is that the public concern about environmental management and these issues has been rising rapidly over the last few years, and businesses that don't pay heed to this do it at their own peril. I'm afraid it's also time to remind you of Assignment 1, which is due in about 3 weeks' time. Now is the time to start planning and researching, if you haven't done so already. The learnings from Unit 2 are quite critical to Assignment 1 as you develop a sustainability strategy for your organization. So please remember to consult your facilitator for the scope of your assignment or any other questions that you may have. Good luck.